Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely natural drinks to cleanse the liver and the kidney. Very powerful drink. Also cleanse your blood vessels. So I'm going to use cucumber, ginger, lime, beetroot and carrot. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you've been watching this channel for the first time, welcome you all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, share and leave positive comment. Let's get into the video. So with this, I'm going to use not going to use all of this. So I'll use probably about half of this. I'll see how I get along with this. Ginger is very healthy, and it's a natural antibiotic. You know, before there was a lot of these tablets we take in, you know, it was ginger, you know, garlic, cloves and all those things, natural ingredients older people use, which some of them is still alive until now. So please remember to try this at home. I think this should be enough because ginger is very strong. This here you don't have to throw it away, you can just put it down, let it dry and chop it up and blend it. Beetroot, I already washed it, let it dry. So I'm just going to take the skin off. It's gonna be really nice and strong. Actually, you can take this like, you know, like a shot because it's gonna be very strong, very powerful. Your body will love it. Trust me on this one. You have nothing to lose. I'm gonna use probably about half of lemon. Squeeze it in. Get some vitamin C in it. Cucumber here, it's been washed already. This helps keep your skin cool, hydrated. Probably later I might turn this into a lovely cake. Well, see if I have time, I'll do so. Maybe I can get a lovely red velvet cake out of this. Ladies and gentlemen, now juice is ready. Cheers to you all. Very tasty, delicious, rich. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Cheers to you all. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.